Hey guys, wanna know how to turn off auto lock or basically a lock screen in MetaTrader 5 Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your MetaTrader 5 application. Now once you've done that, on the top left you should see this hamburger icon, so simply press on it and then select settings right here. Now once you've done that, scroll down until you see the security tab, and right on the security tab you can see this lock screen. Now if a lock screen is checked, just simply uncheck it. And now just verify once, and there you have it. Your auto lock or lock screen has successfully been turned off. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.